Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech. And in this session what we are going to learn? In this session we are going to see how to use the mobile IP webcam software with opencv on Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much and let's start. So friends, in last video we have successfully configured the opencv on Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so in this video we are going to see how to use the mobile IP webcam software with our opencv on Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so I have here my Poco X3 mobile. Okay, I have installed the IP webcam software inside the Android mobile with the help of course we need to download the IP webcam software using our Google Play Store. Then just start the IP webcam and it will basically get the link of our IP webcam. Okay, and the port. Okay, so I have already installed the IP webcam on my mobile. Okay, now we are ready. I have already made the script. I will mention the script link. You have to simply download the link, or you have to simply download the script, and you can start your IP webcam mobile inside the opencv. Okay, so simply open the terminal. I'm going to make here a zoom in for better clarity. Okay, so simply first we need to activate our work on cv, our virtual environment work on cv. If you watch my old video, then you of course know we have here our virtual environment on our Raspberry Pi 4 for opencv. So activate first that virtual environment. Then I have create here ipcam.py. This is what the script. Okay, and first of course we need to import some modules. So first one is url lib.request for requesting the url. Okay, so import url lib.request. Then this is what our cv2 opencv module, import cv2. Then of course we need to convert our image into array. So of course we need to use here our numpy. So import numpy as np and import time. That's it. This is the 4 module. Simple. Now then of course we need to use here url as a variable, and this url is represent here our IP webcam mobile URL. As you can see, this is what my IP address of mobile and the port number of our IP webcam software, and this is just a short.jpg. This is just a name. Okay, so short.jpg. Okay, you have to mention like this way. Here you need to replace with your mobile IP, okay, mobile IP address. Okay, simple. Then the port is of course same. The 8080 is the port of our IP webcam software. Okay, then we are going to here mention the image. Okay, so for that I have mentioned here a variable. Again, you can use any variable. So url lib.request.url open. It will open the URL and it will get the image from our IP camera using this URL. This URL is basically represent the IP webcam. Okay, so simple. Then we need to convert the image into array. So of course we need to use the numpy. Okay, so numpy is np.array. Okay, the byte array. Okay, this is what the formula. Simple. Then we have here encode the image. Then we need to decode the image for the opencv format. So simply image is equal to cv2 dot imd code. Okay, image decode, and this is what the image np. This, as you can see, this variable we use here, image np. Okay, simple. Then put the image on the screen. Now we need to of course we need to show the image on our screen. For that of course we need to use here cv2.imshow, then IP webcam and img. IP webcam is just a window name which basically open. Okay, so IP webcam is just a window name, and this img variable we use here. Okay, then of course when we press the Q button from the keyboard, it will break the code. Okay, so this is what our code. It is really simple, friends. I will mention the link. Okay, simply you have to replace your IP webcam link. Okay, so control X Y, and now I am going to start my IP webcam software. Okay, and then we are going to open our script. Okay, so start server. I have start my IP webcam. Okay friends, and then we are going to run our script sudo python 3 ipcam.py. And friends, as you can see, we have here our ipcam ready. Okay, as you can see here, and this is what our window name. As you can see, IP webcam is just a window name, you can see here. Okay, so this is the way friends you can use your android mobile as your opencv mobile. Okay, so I will mention the link, the script link. You need to simply download the script and you can use your android mobile as your opencv camera. Okay, so I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.